Recently, the Bank of Israel cut interest rates. You've already talked about inflation being on the way down. How do you see the glide path for interest rates in 2024 and beyond here in Israel?
Well, one thing that I will not do is I'll not give you a number. I can tell you what the market says. I can tell you what the Bank of Israel says. You probably know that, but I did bring the numbers. But I think that I would say generally, the macroeconomic developments that are, I would say, the main scenario are supporting a further decline in inflation, which will allow the bank to continue reducing interest rates at a very, I'm sure they will be very gradual. Now, the main issue that can sort of interfere with this process is if the shekel sort of starts depreciating very rapidly again. I think what helped them take the decision that was sort of half expected by the market was, besides seeing that the inflation is actually moving towards its target, there was also the appreciation of the shekel in the last, 6 weeks or so. And that also indicated that one of the sources of concern about inflation is the depreciation. Once that was out, I think that sort of is the ability to take that decision. I can say that in the last Bank of Israel decision, they're talking about interest rate being between 3.75 and 4% by the end of this year. But, things change. It's not a commitment, it's just a projection.